Large intestine 3 is located near the knuckle of your index finger. To locate large intestine 3, make a loose fist. Now find the point that is on the side of your index finger, knuckle, right here. Next, move down towards your wrist till you just come off the knuckle, right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is large intestine 3. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have an acupressure instrument called a Tei Shin, it might look like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate large intestine 3 on your other hand.